So good morning. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are not doing off-roading or overlanding. We're actually going down to the Back Ridge Sugar House in Winterport. Because of the COVID, they weren't able to open in their usual time back in March or April with the maple syrup products. And today they're actually having an open house. And something a little bit different is a couple girls got together and they brought in a donut maker to make their freshly made donuts. So that ought to be really interesting. So of course we picked the worst day possible with heavy downpours, rain. You know, that's the way it goes. But it should be a good day. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Want to tell us anything about the donuts?
Well, this is the first time we've run it officially, so you probably know about as much of it as we do.
We do know they taste delicious.
Yes, they are very good.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. I'm Josh with Back Ridge Sugar House, and today we've got the Jeep crew here and come down to check out the Sugar House and look over the process and the equipment. And we've got our mini donut machine running today, and this here is the evaporator. This is what makes the syrup. It'll evaporate off around 100 gallons an hour of water vapor, and makes about 3 to 5 gallons an hour of maple syrup. And we have our maple popcorn here today, our maple pecans, our maple bourbon peanuts. We've got maple whoopie pies, of course the mini donuts. And something that we started doing last year was bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup, where we take our dark and our amber-rich maple syrup and we age it in bourbon barrels for 3 to 4 months, and then we filter everything back out and bottle it up, and it has a bourbon flavor, oak, and a little bit of vanilla in it, the flavor, but we don't add anything to it. It's just pure maple syrup that draws in the flavor of the oak barrels from the bourbon that was in them. So.
How long have you been in business?
I've been doing this for, I think I started back up in 2008, and we've been slowly growing every year. And obviously this building right here is brand new last year, and this is only the second weekend that we've been open to the public in this new building. Last weekend was our first weekend open, and we needed more room and more equipment. Things are getting bigger, adding more equipment, and we needed more space. So this is something that we've needed for a long time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just got back from the Back Ridge Sugar House, and we're gonna go inside and check out our goodies. this is what we ended up with. This is the bourbon maple syrup. This is his pure maple syrup in the dark formula. And then we ended up with 2 maple syrup whoopie pies.
So be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell. And check out some of our other videos and stuff we got going on, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.